three topics. Hi guys, in previous video I have discussed about these three topics: what is URL, what is title and what is description. In today's video I am going to explain you use remaining these concepts, remaining these techniques, and then I will start with this particular technique. Here you can read use your keyword once in the first 150 words. What it means see, whenever I will show you in live. See, I'm in my website backend dashboard. Here we already published a title, URL and description, right? Here we already discussed about it. This is the content what we have, what we want to publish in internet. See, in these 150 keywords, in these 150 words, we need to mention our particular keyword. At that time Google will consider that particular keyword for our SEO rankings. So because the reason it is the one of the best practices in on-page SEO technique. And then next one is use your keyword in H1, H2 or H3 tags. It means, see here you can see this is the paragraph. Every paragraph looks like this, right? After that you publishing this content, you need to mention your particular target keyword in H1 or H2, H3. H means heading tag, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Google every time consider H1 tag is the one more important targeted keyword for that particular page. Okay, whenever you give the particular keyword to H1 or H2, H3 tag, Google will almost consider that particular keyword is most important word in that particular page. How we can create means, see, if we are here in this particular content, whenever you select this one, click on here and click heading. You can see here this is in H2 tag. Here you can see H3. Whenever you click on H3, go particular WordPress will highlight this particular target sentences or target keyword, whatever content we have in your website. Okay, and then next move on to the optimize images. Optimize images is one of the best practices. Whenever you optimize images, your website will load high speed and then it will helps to rank and boost your website also. How we can optimize images means, go to Google and compress images, search on compress images, you can get some amount of websites. Here you can select one website and compress your images, after then publish into your website. It will makes you better results. And next one, use synonyms and LSI keywords. Synonyms and LSI keywords means, see, if your particular keyword is digital marketing, at that time use online marketing, use social media marketing. This type of words is known as synonyms. LSI keywords means, see, I will show you digital marketing. Click on enter, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Scroll your page into bottom. This keywords is known as LSI keyword. We call it as LSI keywords. Use these keywords in your content. Why? Because people are looking for this particular queries also. Whenever we have these particular keywords in our content, at that time we have better chances to rank in Google. And then next one is use external links. External links means, see, this is the content related to digital marketing. Who are already in digital marketing with high domain authority, Wait, I will show you. See, already we have so many websites here. Choose one relevant website which is more relevant to your content. Please select the particular URL and connect with to your website is known as external links. Use external links. Internal links means linking your particular web page into another web page in your website only. It is known as internal linking. Why? Because how it is helpful means, see, your particular web page ranked in Google, right? In ranked in Google top 3, your second upcoming web page what you are creating, that page is not in Google, or else not it ranking in top, ranking in 5th page. At that, whenever you linking that first page URL link to this 5th page URL, Google will boost 5th page URL to move forward to front page. So because there is an internal links used most for our website. Keyword destiny. Keyword destiny means how many times our particular keyword used in that particular content. How we can check means, suppose take an example. I will show you now. I take one particular website URL and keyword destiny. I search keyword destiny. We need to check the keyword destiny before going to publish the article in your website. Why it is helpful means, if so many times repeated in particular word in your content, at that time Google will consider your website as a spamming. So because the reason, before going to publish your article, you need to check the keyword destiny for your article. Paste the URL here and check out your I am not robot and click perform check. Now this website is checking the content. Here you can see power, and this is the Power BI training, right? So because the reason Power BI word is repeating 5.59% times repeating in my particular article, right? What are the best keyword density means, keyword density we need to follow at least for 300 words we need to mention only 2 to 3 times for our particular keyword. If you beyond that, Google will consider you are a spammer, you are spamming. Anchor text means which text you are using to create an hyperlink, those text is known as anchor text. This is the best practices in on-page SEO techniques, guys. Hope this video very helpful to you guys. Hit the like button and subscribe me for more digital marketing training. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.